Blood donation is often seems like a simple act, but its impact is very profound and far-reaching. So today, we gather here for a crucial objective for spreading awareness on the blood donation camps.
Donating blood is a humanitarian act that directly saves life. Someone somewhere needs blood every few seconds due to accidents, surgeries, childbirth complications, and several other medical issues.
Donating blood makes you a lifesaver by offering a precious gift that cannot be bought or manufactured. Blood donation is not just an event, it is a lifeline for countless individuals.
Blood doesn't know religion. Blood doesn't know caste. Neither it knows gender. It brings individuals together from different walks of life, united by a common cause to help those in need.
Did you know? Donating blood is beneficial not only to recipients but also to donors. It stimulates production of new blood cells and which help in maintaining good health.
So we invite each one of you to come and participate in this noble cause on the occasion of National Doctors' Day. Come, join us and celebrate life. Thank you.
Still a little love, donate your blood.